Feeling tired even after a full night's rest is a common struggle that many face. It's frustrating to wake up with heavy eyes and a sluggish mind despite giving your body the rest it seemingly needs. But what's really going on? Why do you feel so drained when you think you should be refreshed? Let's explore some reasons why rest doesn't always equate to true rejuvenation. Firstly, quality of sleep matters more than quantity. Even if you clock 8 hours, disruptions like noise, light, or uncomfortable sleep environments can prevent you from reaching the stages of deep sleep necessary for proper restoration. Your brain cycles through different phases of sleep, including REM and non-REM, each playing a critical role in how you feel when you wake up. If these cycles are repeatedly interrupted, your rest won't be as restorative. Secondly, sleep disorders like sleep apnea or insomnia might be robbing you of restful sleep. Sleep apnea causes breathing interruptions, while insomnia plays tricks with your ability to fall or stay asleep, leading to exhaustion. Both can leave you chronically tired, even if you're putting in the hours. Another factor could be stress and anxiety. If your mind is racing, worrying about the day ahead, or processing stress from the day before, it's likely impacting your sleep quality. Cortisol, the stress hormone, can keep you alert when you should be unwinding. Your lifestyle habits might also play a role. Consuming caffeine or alcohol close to bedtime, irregular sleep schedules, and excessive screen time can disrupt your natural sleep-wake cycle, making restful sleep elusive. Nutrition and hydration are often overlooked. Dehydration and nutrient deficiencies, such as lack of iron or B vitamins, can contribute to fatigue. A balanced diet supporting energy levels is crucial. Finally, underlying health issues like chronic fatigue syndrome or thyroid dysfunction can lead to perpetual tiredness. If persistent fatigue seems to have no clear cause, consulting a healthcare professional is a wise step. In summary, feeling tired despite rest touches on various aspects of life, from biological to behavioral. By examining these factors, you can begin to address the root cause, pursuing not just rest, but true rejuvenation for your mind and body.